All right, Claire here, and now I'm going to talk about the route. 10,000 miles, 27 states, 100 days. Follow me to the map. Okay, so we're launching in Knoxville. That's the official launch place where we pick up our grandkids and we take them across the country, Grand Canyon, Painted Desert, Petrified Forest, and then we meet their parents in Las Vegas. We come up to see Zion National Park, Antelope Canyon, and up to Salt Lake City, where my brother, sister-in-law, and niece are flying in. We'll meet up with them. Then we come across to do the Pacific Coast Highway, the Olympic Peninsula, Glacier National Park, and then Yellowstone and the Grand Tetons, where my sister and brother-in-law are flying in to meet up with us. We come across to the Sturgis motorcycle rally that we're going to be there in time for that, and then over across the Badlands and Minnesota to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, down through Ohio, Kentucky, West Virginia, and back to Knoxville. We've created 3 separate sheets with segments of the trip. So this is the first segment in June with the granddaughters going across country. This is the second segment in July that'll come up the Upper Peninsula and do the Glacier National Park and celebrate a birthday. And then this is month 3 and bringing it all home, that we'll celebrate another birthday and have family time and bring you with us along the way.